A is twice efficient, yeah, A is twice as good as B, okay, and therefore to finish the piece of work in 20 days less than B, okay. In how many days they can complete the whole work वर्किंग टुगेदर? तो ये क्वेश्चन भी देखिए पहले से क्वेश्चन है, इसमें भी क्या मेंशन है, इसमें मेंशन है जो ए और बी का डिफरेंस है वो कितना है, केवल और केवल 20 है, और ए जो है वो ट्वाइस एफिशिएंट है बी के। तो देखिए इस क्वेश्चन को फॉर्म करते हैं, तब आपको ज्यादा आइडिया हो जाएगा, यू विल गेट बेटर आइडिया ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू सॉल्व सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन। ओके, नाउ let A take 10 days to complete a job, then B take 20 days to complete a job, because A is twice efficient than B. So if A take 10 days, B take 20 days. Okay, the difference is given, A minus B is what? If I take the difference, I will get 10 days. Now what is mentioned in the question? The difference of A and B is 20, so I need to multiply this value by 2 to make this difference 20. So if I multiply this value of 2 in this difference value, so I can also multiply the same number of terms in these two equations. So I will get what? 10 into 2 comes 20 days here, and 20 into 2 gets 40 days here. Okay, fine. Now the difference is 20. Now my question complete. So A finish our work in 20 days. If A finish the work in 20 days, definitely B take 40 days to complete the work, and again the difference is what? 20. So now my question is complete. Clear? Now find out the total work. So how you find out the total work? 20 and 40 का LCM जो होगा वो मेरे total work देगा. So what is the LCM of 20 and 40? The LCM of 20 and 40 is 40 units. So I need to complete 40 units. This is my total work. Total work. Now rest thing is same. Now what is A's one day work? So A's one day work is what? A's one day work. A's one day work is what? 40 divided by 20. So 20, 40 it means 2 units. Now what is B's one day work? So B's one day work is equal to 40 divided by 40. So B manufacturing 1 units per day. Now what is A plus B's one day work? So A plus B's one day work is equal to what? 2 plus 1 3 units. So A और B मिलकर कितना बनाते हैं? 3 यूनिट बनाते हैं. टोटल कितना कंप्लीट करना है? 40 यूनिट. So how much time A and B together take to complete the work? 40 is my total unit. 3 they manufacture per day. So it will get 13 1 by 3. It comes 13 1 by 3 days A and B together take to complete the entire work. So this is the concept. Again the same procedure, same thing I follow to find out how much time A and B take together to complete the entire work. This is my total work. 40 units is my total work. Clear? Now move to the next question, which is similar to this kind. In this case, A is thrice as good as B. Okay, A जो है B से thrice good है. A is able to finish a job in 80 days less than B. How many days together they complete a job? तो A is thrice as good as B. So A अगर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करता है, अगर मान A किसी काम को 10 डेज में कंप्लीट करता है, तो B उस काम को 30 डेज में कंप्लीट करेगा. यस और नो? So अगर मैं ये क्वेश्चन बनाता हूँ, this is my assumption, this is my initial value. So what is the difference of A and B? So my difference of A and B is what? 20 days. Now I make sure that this difference must be 80, which is mentioned in the question. So I need to multiply 4 in this value. So 20 into 4 gives 80 days. Now this 4 is need to multiply in this case and this case. So the same value I am going to multiply here and here. So 4 into 10 gives 40 days. So if A complete the work in 40 days, then how much B take? 30 into 4, it comes 120 days. So 120 days is the B manufacturing total work in 120 days. Okay, now this is the question now. So if A take 40 days, then B take 120 days, because A is thrice efficient than B, and the difference of A and B is what? 80 days. So now my question complete. Okay, now find out the total work. So find out total work, you need to calculate LCM. So what is the LCM of 40 and 120? So my LCM of 40 and 120 must be 120. So I am converting this 120 as considered as this is the production of unit. So this much you need to produce. So this is what total work. This is what total work. Now the rest thing is remain same. Now what is A's one day work? So what is A's one day work? So A complete 120 units in 40 days. So what is A's one day work? So my A's one day work is how much? 120 divided by 40. So it it means A produce 3 units per day. 3 units per day. What is B manufacturing per day? So B manufacturing per day is what? 120 units in 120 days. So 120 divided by 120. So it gives 1 unit per day. 1 unit. So what is A plus B's 1 day work? So A plus B's 1 day work. So A और B एक दिन में कितना बनाएंगे? So if you add both, you will get 3 plus 1 4 यूनिट. तो A और B का एक दिन का काम कितना है? 4 यूनिट. ये एक दिन में बनाते हैं. टोटल कितना बनाना है? 120 यूनिट. This is my total work and this is 1 day work. So how much time A and B take to complete this 120 unit if they manufacture 4 units per day? So 120 divided by 4. So you will get 30 days to complete the entire job. To complete the A and B take 30 days to complete the entire work, which is 120 units. So this is the solution of if whenever the efficiency is mentioned in the question. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. Okay, thank you. Now the next problem is whenever the efficiency is given in the form of percentage, then how you will proceed, वो देखते हैं next session में. Thank you.